In this video, we'll show you how to install the bottom base plate of your crossover washer. For your safety, always have 2 people handling your washer or dryer. First, carefully lay the washer on its back. Then, attach the bottom base plate. To do this, you will need to use your Phillips screwdriver and the 8 screws provided in the box. Tilt the washer back to its upright position. Your crossover soft mount washer can be safely installed directly on the floor. For a raised installation, an elevated base may be purchased separately from Laundrolux. The next step is leveling your machine.